Save this recipe for when you're going through massive cinnamon roll withdrawals this week. Okay, so this is a microwavable 1-serving cinnamon roll that is paleo, nut-free, and egg-free. It's almost AIP, except I use some baking powder, but it's super easy. Just takes about 1.5 minutes in your microwave and a little bit of prep. So we're using white sweet potato, some tiger nut flour, of course, lots of cinnamon, and either ghee or coconut oil, a little bit of milk of your choice, just to make sure the dough is moist enough. You're gonna roll it all up, stick it in a greased ramekin, and that's it, baby. You microwave it, top it with whatever you want. You could use some Simple Mills vanilla frosting or make my date frosting. Voila, enjoy.